hear my ponytail crunchy.
So we finna record that.
Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of hair for female dry. What's up, y'all? It's Grace. I'm back with another video. Today, y'all, we're gonna be. So today, y'all, don't want my shirt because I went to. Oh, she was ready to come through this little whoop. But y'all, today, what are you gonna be doing?
Today, y'all, we finna be seeing if I could do her hair.
Yep, cause like y'all know half of the videos where Harmony got her hair done, she be doing that.
Yes.
So I gotta see what she working with, and I got the weave and stuff, but I just need a ooh, I need to wash my hair.
Yes, you do, y'all. So we finna record that.
Yeah, and then I need to just wipe myself. We need to get our stuff
and
together.
blow dry her hair.
Yeah. It's gonna be a lot of hair for blow drying, but still. But yeah, y'all, let's put it in the video. If y'all like, comment, subscribe, to just the end top of the video. So you're gonna click it. If you don't, you're weird.
You're weird.
Whack. We're at. Okay, but yeah. Okay, y'all. So before I wash my hair, I gotta take my hair out first.
Okay, sit down.
Y'all don't mind my ponytail.
My ponytail crunchy.
Shut up! I can hear you. My ponytail crunchy.
Mine is too though.
Oh really?
Okay, y'all. So she's taking her ponytail out, and then we're gonna wash her hair.
So basically, y'all, I want her to like just do her. I want her to do freestyle stitch braids because that's what she's really good at. And then I'm like, we both are doing that.
Yes, y'all. I've been to braid camp. So, okay, guys. So, let's wash her. I'm gonna come on this side so they can see.
We need a towel.
Taylor.
Oh my, here's my booty wet. Okay, this for my hair.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. No, you gotta scoot the chair up some. And then for your neck, just put this down right here. Okay. Lay down.
Hey, where's my phone at?
Oh, it's hot.
Can you go get my phone? Oh.
This is too hot for your hair. Okay.
Can you get my hair done, Ted?
Do your neck hurt? It looks like it hurts. Is this too hot?
No.
You be editing the video? You heard me?
Stop, you took my filter off. Come on, you gotta be in a picture like this. You wash my hair.
No, I'm not putting my face in this.
Come on, you gotta have a filter on.
No, she's trying to embarrass me.
We didn't even put soap in and it's soapy.
Cause you got all that product for this. Okay, now y'all we're gonna put some soap in it because we just rinsed it. Can they see? Yeah, they can see. What's your shampoo? You always set up with this conditioner. Y'all, she had so much gel in her hair, so
shut up.
It was soapy even before I put the shampoo.
Look, I'm gonna go to sleep now. Good night.
Good night, y'all. From Taylor to y'all. Y'all, she be snoring in her sleep.
No. Oh my mama, I don't snore. You
yes,
snore.
you was.
No, Harvey was up here. I was like, bro. And then I kept on waking up my sleep because you was snoring.
Y'all know I wasn't.
Yes, you was.
No, I wasn't.
That's how I know you lying because you died on snore. And then y'all, like, yeah.
I was just playing, y'all. Taylor wasn't snoring.
Exactly.
But
yeah, I wasn't playing.
I be hearing myself. I be waking myself up.
Well, I mean, everybody's snoring, so it really don't matter.
Exactly. Huh?
What they about to go?
Nowhere.
Y'all, basically, Ariel went to Melody house. Like, basically, Melody ride with Harmony to come over here, and then Ariel came with them, and then Ariel and Melody over there, and then Harmony and me over here.
Yeah, because last time we did that sleepover, bro.
May was overly hype, so we just said, we was like,
we not doing this
exactly.
Again.
And y'all, we did clean the seat before we did this, so.
And what are y'all doing for summer?
Yeah, what are y'all doing for summer? Like, y'all gonna be on top of car?
Girl!
Or y'all gonna be sitting down on the floor?
They could be sitting down on the floor. All y'all gonna be sitting down. Taylor is too, and I am too. Ain't nobody going outside.
What?
I'm just playing. I'm gonna be outside.
So, but yeah, me and Harmony gonna do each side of the knot list so it could be faster and
yes. Yeah. Cause Taylor said she know how to do knot list.
I do.
We finna see see, y'all.
Sure.
She know how to do nails, so I'm gonna see if she know how to do some hair. Ah! Sorry.
Yeah, we gonna get back with y'all when we get to the condition.
Yeah, y'all. Here, put this towel around you so you don't get it.
How no you.
Y'all, hold on. Let me show you all her hair. She'll be playing with her. Look at all this. Look at all these inches, though.
Can we hurry up, like for real, so we can like blow dry my hair? Stop. Dumb Ritz. Yes. Give me dumb. Did you eat the last donut?
No.
Oh, okay.
Look at her, just big.
But y'all, she begged me to get Panda Express.
It's good, y'all.
Oh my god, this is gonna take a long time. How long does it take for you to do some hair?
Girl, I don't know. You better be patient.
How long did it take for Harmony and Melody?
I don't know. No, Melody be taking forever because she get up every 2 seconds to go use the restroom, cook her some food, and she bad. She got a bad head and she bad too. Like she be having an attitude when I do her hair, so I be getting mad. And I be like, you do your own hair then. So yeah, so we got a better view for y'all so y'all can see detangling it. So when you detangle it, you gotta start from the bottom and work your way up.
Come and talk to me. Like literally. Gotta come pants for you. Gotta come cans for you.
Stop. Turn
Y'all be watching baddies?
Yo, we watched Baddies last night. It was so funny.
Exactly. And we prank called Elijah, bro, y'all.
Yo, we should have recorded that.
Yeah, he was like, what? I'm not laughing.
And then we started laughing. He was like, I'm not laughing.
It was funny.
It was. Y'all know Elijah funny, so.
Come and talk to me.
Y'all can tell us sing.
Thank you. I even took you back and you still had no chill. Yes, I can.
Who are you talking about?
Nobody.
Hold
Hold on, my neck hurting, but hurry up and turn on the water.
No, it been ripped, but
you ripped it.
You literally finna rip it, been ripped, but I just. What are you doing? Stop! Give it a towel. That's how y'all know she big, cause it was already ripped. And I tried to get it in the before.
Okay, hurry up. Are we done?
No, we not.
The condition. You don't have to wash your all conditioner.
Yes, you do.
No, you do not.
Yes, you do.
Are you no?
Stop, Taylor. I'm the hairstylist, not you. Woo.
Take it out. Take it out.
No, stop. Stop, Taylor. I'm not taking it out. You gotta clean that up. We'll be back. Stop it. Stop, Taylor. I'm gonna call your mom. Actually, this is not funny. And I hope you fall.
Okay. So basically,
I just blow dry some of it.
yeah.
Cause
That's this y'all know how my hair look.
so we basically gonna call y'all back when I start.
We done with this one.
braiding. Oh yeah.
Okay, y'all. I can literally feel her icing. Like literally. What? Don't call me, man. Oh, congratulations. That's why I'm getting my hair done.
We're going to the beach.
We done.
We're going to the beach.
Y'all going to the
We
beach?
finna
We
go.
finna go to
Thank you.
we finna go to Hibachi.
And we got Wingstop.
Yeah, and we got Wingstop.
We said what?
We finna go to the pool.
Oh, we're going to the beach.
Okay. And mama buy us goggles and stuff. And we finna go film.
And she bought us.
And we finna go film.
Oh, and we finna go ride scooters because like
We finna go film and ride scooters.
Yeah, we finna ride scooters after. Harmony, you're making up stuff.
no, we not.
Girl, what?
Yeah. We riding scooters. Ain't no way y'all gonna get to the toy.
We riding scooters. How you gonna tell us?
And we riding scooters that smell like coffee.
Okay.
You want curls?
She said y'all smell like coffee.
We don't care.
Exactly. Coffee.
She smell like doo-doo.
Exactly.
And you smell like ass.
Oh, we doing a video.
We doing a video.
We recorded.
Yep. Yeah, I'm gonna.
Show the camera her.
Yep.
Don't try to smile now.
We finna go ride scooters. Bye.
We just lied.
They finna clip us and be like, "Would I draw you lying?" Yo, I could see the braid. I like how you did the little bun.
Wait, let me show them. Wait,
So yeah,
turn your head.
Oh, show them the braid. I'm tripping.
Yeah. It actually look cute in person, for real. It's gonna get curls at the
Can
end.
I see it?
Yeah. Okay, y'all. This is this row. Let me see if I can see. Okay. This is the row and then the braid. She gonna get curls at the end.
We gonna get back with y'all when we get on the next row. Okay, y'all. We finna take a break. Mom just came home and gave us some Wingstop. So we finna take our break. We gonna get back with y'all.
Yeah. This is turning out so cute, y'all. We're gonna post the hair trend. We're gonna post the hair transition on Instagram and TikTok. And
Yo, mind your shoes over here. I can't do nothing like that.
okay, y'all. We're gonna get back to y'all when I'm done with the braids at the back. Okay, guys. So we just finished the. Oh my god.
I did them, y'all.
No, she
No,
didn't.
yeah, I
So,
don't like the blue because I didn't even.
we just finished
I didn't
this.
want blue.
Girl, she picked out the blue. She loves
No, I
it.
did not. It's Mama the game was at the junior end of the week.
She loves the blue, guys.
No, I hate it.
Okay, y'all. Now we finna start the stitch braids in the front.
She doing a freestyle on me, so I want to see what's going on.
Girl, please.
Okay, y'all. But yeah, just think if you like, comment, subscribe, tell me what you say.
Oh.
Never seen it. Girl, me too. So.
Girl, your hair literally.
No, I like cross team.
Okay.
But yeah. Bye, y'all.